Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to describe any website with AI. So I have two of them, like first one is Magical and another one is Apify. So I'm going to discuss about both of them. So we are going to get book a demo. So I'm going to get a demo from here. So from here, next here and select one for automation here. Now simply click on next, and your contact information, you have to add your contact information here. Like I'm going to add my contact information and the mail. So I'm going to add the mail here. Word, what the, so it's not adding yet. So I have just add this mail here. After that, you have to add your phone number. I have added a type of email here. Then I'm going to add my number here. Click next, and from here the company name. So you can add any company name that your company name. Like I'm going to add my company name here. Just a break. And then company size here, you can choose the company size from here. Then are you in healthcare related industry? No, then simply submit. Now it will help you to get here you can find a home page here, or actually you can get the demo. So it will send you a demo through your email address. So make sure that you have checked your email address, or otherwise you can go to your web store and then you can search for the Magical. Here it is. So you can get that their extension here. So it is pretty much a cool feature. Now simply click on add extension. So you can click on this add extension. Here you can see I have just downloaded the file of that extension. Now the extension is just added. Now sign up to Magical. So we are going to sign up to Magical here by this Apple prediction. So if you want to use it immediately without any demo for the pro demo mode, so you can go with this one. Now the first one, first name. So I'm going to again log into another account here. Sorry for that. And then what type of work do you do? Like I do anything like product. Yes. Do you manage a team? Yes. Okay. Continue, and then you can find what's happened actually. I'm going to add again. So here you can see it has just added the widgets here on our window. So we can actually use that widget. We can simply click on it, and from here the automation here. So export to a new form, or you can add to a new spreadsheet, and you can find this add new candidate to greenhouse. You can create automation by simply click on that. Now here is your we can actually get this, like we can get the scrap as the first name, last name, and the URL. So we can select it all of them, or we can create a new if I want to. Click any text. If I text or click on any text, let me show you. So we're going to delete it right now. Like it has just done editing. Now if we are on the web page here, like anything, for example, we are on Reddit, so we can use this here. Like we can create something. So it is actually just generated that site info and some already some scraps that you can actually get like automated. You can get the title, the moderator, the description, the channel member of and the member of the channel here. You can get the URL, page, date created. You can get breeding material or moderator one and username. So there is not found yet, so we are going to deselect all of this. Now we can actually transform that. So you can extract or reformat or summarize, calculate, translate or combine one and or more site info. So from here we are going to add it. Now we are going to add it to new spreadsheet. For that we have to click on it and it will allow us to integrate that with the spreadsheet. So we have to give the access here. So we are going to grant that access here. Simply log in with your account. Now simply continue. Now here you have to give the access. Now simply click on OK, and it has just given me the access here. So we can use the blank table here or the event task or anything like this, or we can make it like this or the normal one. So we can customize it according to our needs. So here is the URL. So this is for URL, this is for the channel name actually. This is for the description, what was the description on that channel, that post or that on the channel actually. Now here's the member of the channel, here's the moderator, the name of the moderator. So we can click on that and we can find that moderator on that Reddit that actually moderate that page here. Then we can find the title. So this is that's how you can just get the scraps from web page here. So like this we can add this. So here is some template that you can add some templates like thanks message, or you can create some template, or here is automation. So you can create new automation if you want. So here is a test out that you can follow. So here is a test out. So here is start automation. So fill form. So select a site to fill. So you can just select a site. So specify a tab with the form field. So like this one, or no fields found. So that's actually you can add automation manually. So we're going to talk it some other day with a descriptive video. So here we are at a home here. So we have just extracted a file here that actually showing here. So we can create new if I want so. So from here we can actually get a test by simply here add site info. Here you can add some site info here. You can simply click on it. So you can add some site info here. So this is actually for our spreadsheet and it actually won't work for the spreadsheet. So that's how you can just use it. And let's head to the other one that is actually Apify. So Apify is also a full stack platform for web scraping. So you can get scrap or extract the scrap from website like a different type of website that Amazon or any type of thing. So here is website content crawler. You can use this, so you can try for free. So I'm going to show you how you can actually try for free, but make sure that you have an account on Apify. So I have one, so it has just automatically logged me in. So from here we can just add the URL of that Reddit page. So here is the Reddit page. This is the same user on Reddit. So I'm going to copy that username here. The link here, we are going to paste it in this section. Now from here add, or we can add it, and from here all of this is right, yes, scroller, and I just leave it at default. Now save and start. So here you can see it will extract some data. So here you can see it is actor is getting extract. So there is no item to database here. Actually that's because of this is actually one page, there is no multiple page in this section. So that's why it won't able to give us the data about the pages here. So or we can use actually we can found some actors here. So ghost store. So we can found some store extractor here. So like different type of extractor we can here the scrap extractor. So the for example the Instagram scrapper. So if you want to get details about someone in Instagram, so you can simply paste that Instagram username here. So I'm going to add that link here, and just like this, and we want scrap post here, and we also want scrap comments, or we can add some profile post hashtag and places, and also we can add more here like this max results per. You can limit the max results here. So here is you can set the date, set the timeline that you want. Like I want to get the this 18th month here or 50. So just like this. script based on search query result here or run option here. You can now simply click on save and start here. So it will just start running, so that here you can see vector is running. So it will extract the data from this profile, the Cristiano Ronaldo. So there's here is the data that is actually the biography. So here is the biography for that account. Here is the business category, and here is the external link, and here's the external link to same here. So that profile link here. Now external URLs, there's a URL, that one URL is here. Now FBID, here is the FBID link that you can get. So you can search for that ID. The follower counts here are their follower. Now follows count here. So and the full name here, and also the ID of Instagram ID here. Then input, here's the Instagram URL, ID URL, and it also extracts some LGTV videos, some latest post here. So if I just click on this, here is some latest post that actually we can click on that, and each of them is post here. So this, from this bracket, this third bracket to this third bracket is one post here. This third bracket to this third bracket, close third bracket actually is another post here. Sorry, not for this, from this one, yes, like this. So from here you can find this post here, and here is related item. Here is 80 item that you can find here in code. So you can run it in anywhere if you want. So for anything, any purpose, like for promotional purpose or anything. So make sure that you have the copyright to use their, or you have the exact right to use their information. So that's all for today's video. That's how you can just easily extract the scraper from the website by using these two useful tools. One is magical scraper, and another one is Apify. So thanks for watching. Till next time.